If you haven't heard of the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 packing method, I'm going to show it to you today. Hi, it's Eunice from Theory of Simple. Thanks for coming to my channel today. Well, if you're like me, you travel carry-on only a lot, and that means you have to pack efficiently so that everything can mix and match, and you want things to be wrinkle-free. In today's video, I'm going to show you the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 method of packing and show you my secrets of how I pack to keep things wrinkle-free and keep me in mixing and matching my outfits for my whole travel adventure. Well, the first thing I do is look at my itinerary and the weather. Those are going to determine a lot about what I pack. And then I think about a capsule wardrobe, meaning I choose 2 to 3 colors that just kind of go together, and that's the theme or color theme of my actual wardrobe. For those of you who have kids and you're my age, you might remember something like Gymboree or Garanimals. Those were things where you could go to your kids' store and pick out all these clothes that mix and match. Well, that's kind of what I do. I kind of do that with my wardrobe, and that way I know that all the things I carry, plus what I'm wearing on the plane, are going to give me a variety of outfits to choose from on my travel adventure. 5 stands for 5 tops, and you want a variety of versatile tops that you'll be able to wear alone, under things, over things, and use them for a variety of situations to get you through your whole travel adventure. 4 is for bottoms, and you want a variety of bottoms that are versatile as well. I always bring a pair of jeans. I can dress them up or down. I also bring my Merino Wool Pants that are also something I can dress up or down, my bike shorts for working out or under dresses, and depending on the season, another pair of shorts. 3 stands for shoes, and I usually bring only 3, but in this case, these pair turn out as 2 pair in one, and then I bring something that's comfortable for me to walk around in that's dress up or casual, and I always wear my heaviest shoes on the plane. For me, too, is dresses, and I like to bring 2 different dresses. One is a slip dress that I can dress up or I can wear casually around the room, and that goes the same for my merino wool dress. This is my favorite. I wear it in so many different ways, dressy or casual. It's a must-have. 1 stands for swimsuits and or accessories, and I always bring a swimsuit with me. I like this 2-piece because the bottom can be used as running shorts or workout shorts, and the top is a workout top. I also bring a towel with me in case I want to go out somewhere where I don't have a hotel towel, and I also like to bring a reversible hat and a nice scarf, always versatile, and a light jacket just in case of the weather. The next thing I do is I have a packing style that I use that helps me get less wrinkles. It is a combination of using packing cubes and not using packing cubes, and here's what it is. I start off with the item that I think might be the most susceptible to wrinkles, and I gently place it in the bottom of the suitcase, and then I start layering things like pants that could get wrinkled, putting the waistband in at each end and letting the legs hand out over the side, and then I just gently press these in so that they have no wrinkles, and this way it will keep things nice and wrinkle-free. Next, I'm going to go on to packing cubes here, and I'm going to put my tops in here. These are tops that don't wrinkle too easily, and they hold their shape pretty well. And I'm just loosely putting them in here. I'm not rolling them or folding them, kind of like you find them in the store, just placing them in. It's nice and loose in this packing cube. Now, I do not compression zip my packing cubes because once they're in the suitcase, they're going to get pretty compressed on their own. The next are my bottoms packing cube. I have my swimsuit as well as my other pair of shorts or whatever else things you want to bring, as well as some of my accessories like my reversible hat, and I keep all of those in my bottoms packing cube. Again, I am not going to compression zip these because they will get compressed once they're in the suitcase. And lastly, I pack 2 bras, a set of underwear, and these are my little nipple covers. I always bring those, and I have those in a little packing cube as well. Now I'm going to start layering things in the suitcase, and I'm going to make sure everything's nice and straight. So I take my packing cubes and I place them in gently so that they are going to lay on top of these clothes, and then I gently start folding each layer back over the packing cubes. That way you don't have a hard crease in your clothing. Everything stays nice and straight, and you'll have a lot less wrinkles when you unpack your clothes at your destination. Shoes can really be something that can eat up space in your luggage. So there are a couple rules that I have. Number 1, I wear my largest and heaviest shoes on the plane. And number 2, I make sure that the shoes that I take are versatile, that I can wear them, out for casual or dressy if possible, or as slippers in my room or something to the pool, that type of thing. So I just make sure that they're versatile. And I found some really great shoes that work great, that have tops that interchange. These are going to allow me to have a variety of shoes without having the bulk. I start by taking my socks and I put them in my shoes. This is going to save space and allow me to help keep the shape of the shoe. And then I make sure that each shoe is in its own shoe bag. That way I have the versatility of packing them how I want. And I usually line them along the side of the bottom of the suitcase here so that the soles face the outside, and that way I have versatility in where I want to put my shoes in case I have to move them around a bit. Now this leaves me room in the center to put things like my toiletry bag, my cosmetic bag, my hair curler, my goggles, my packing cube full of intimates, my swim cap, and then I'll put my towel in. And then the shoe tops I will just lay in here because they lay flat. I can lay them right in here and keep them protected with the towel. And that way I have everything I need in my little carry-on suitcase. Once I get the majority of my suitcase packed, there's always that little bit of room for things, and you can put things in like scarves, an extra pair of socks, even a rolled up tank top or something like that. So if I can and I have some room, I will do that. But sometimes I just save that room because sometimes I'm going to buy something on the trip and I'm going to want to fit it into the suitcase. So if you're wondering about that black travel dress and the black bike pants and why they were not in the suitcase, that's because I put those in my personal carry-on and carry those on with me. That's just in case they decide to check my overhead luggage and they lose it. At least I have something that I can mix and match with what I'm wearing on the plane and what I have in my personal carry-on. This dress is so versatile. I can wear it in my room. I can put this other top on top of it and wear it out casually. I can put a scarf around the waist and some jewelry and wear it as something to dress up in. And the bike shorts as well. I can wear them under this dress to have a little bit of modesty, but I can also put my black and white shirt over it if I want to go out and about or I want to go work out. So it'll at least get me through a couple of days until they find my luggage. And that way I have a safeguard. I also put in an extra pair of undies and an extra pair of socks. So I have something I can wash in the sink if I have to, and then, hang them up and dry. If for some reason, like when I was in Dubai, they lost my luggage for 4 days, I had to wear whatever I had for those 4 days while I was there. And I only got my luggage back the day before I left. So, always be cautious. Have a few things in your personal carry-on item that will get you through a few days. If you have a special packing method that you use when you're packing carry-on only, leave it in the comments. I'd like to know. I always want to learn about some new travel and packing methods. Until the next time, remember to deuce life, drink the joy, keep life simple. Try to pack in that 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 packing method. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.